Hello, this is Dorival. This is the project Cloud for Java. This project to help Java developer to increase their value by learning cloud computing skills. Today, we are going to mention our IAM, Identity Access Manager, on Amazon AWS. So, IAM is under Security, Identity, and Compliance. So you click on IAM, and we have some warnings here. One of the warnings is because we are using our root account, and the root account is not to be used on your daily tasks. In fact, you create your root account only for when you first create your account on AWS. You create your root account, but after that you create a regular user and you stop to use your root account. Is the same as Linux. And on Linux you don't use the root account on your daily task, and Amazon is the same. You only use your root account to log into account the first time, and after that you create a regular user and you don't need to use it. And Amazon advise you to not use root account on your daily task. So that is the advice. And you are going to activate and resolve this warning here. The first one is activate the MFA on the root account. Why you have the security? To take care of the security, because AWS has many resources, and these resources is very valuable. So you have to protect your account. And on MFA, you click on Manage MFA, and that is virtual and hardware MFA. You are going to click on virtual MFA, click on Next, and you have to install on your device, in your cell phone, a app which will generate tokens for our account. So if you click here, and you can see here that there is some forms of MFA, and the most common, there is a hardware or a physical token which generate numbers, random numbers to connect to your account, to validate your account, your access. And that is the most common is the software or virtual authenticator, which you install in your cell phone on Android or iPhone or Windows Phone or BlackBerry, and it will generate random numbers to validate your access. And so you install this authenticator on your cell phone, and after that you continue here on the next step. On Manage MFA, click on Next. Here is the QR code, and we are going to generate our account here. So we open our application here, and click on Add the account. Scan the QR code here. Once you scan QR code, it will generate some number here. 54496. You type the two consecutive numbers here, or two consecutive tokens here. Click on activate, and the activation is okay. If you refresh here, you resolve that warning. So let's create a user. This is warning is because we are using our root account. So we are going to create a regular user for our daily tasks. Click on add user. I will create a user here, and you can create more than one user. You can create here and if you want to create another user, that is no problem. Programmatic access. Programmatic access is when you are going to use a access key in secret key to access Amazon by your software, by your application. So this is we are going to use an access by software, and we are going to use management console. Management console is when you use username and password. And there's an option here, auto-generate password, but I want to create my password myself. And I don't want to create a new password and actually sign in. No. Click on next permission, but I recommend you to check here, and when your user login the first time, he will need to change the password. Click on next permission, and we don't have a group for our use, so click on create group. This group will be admin, my admin, and I wanted this group have a administrator access. Administrator access, and let's see the permission here. You can see the permission will give you allow and everything in every resource. So that is our group. Click on create group. So my user will pertain this group, my admin. Click on next and create user. So this is the user I created and associated with the group admin, and click on create user. And you can create a different user for different roles. So not all of your group will be admin. Some group will have a few access, and the other group will be more restrictive access. And what is that here? Here is the access key ID. This is the identification, the account, the access you use it by access Amazon by programmatically. So your software will use this access key and secret key. You click here on show, and this is the secret key you are using by your software to access programmatically the Amazon resources. So once you have clicked here, and this secret key will not appear anymore. So you can send it by email, or you can save it. This is on your hard drive, and because after you hide this access, after some time it is not be available anymore here. And once you have created your user, you are going to close this window, and let's see our dashboard again. So user and group is okay, and let's this warning is because Amazon recommend you to set up a IAM password policy. So let's click manage password policy, and there is some requirements you can set here, some requirement. Password expiration. Password will expire in 180 days. 180 days. And let's see, minimal length. I can mark here requiring at least one number. So I use only these two options here, and apply password policy, and it was successfully saved. So I'll click here on dashboard again, and our warning is resolved. And I will sign out here, and now I'm gonna access my account with my regular user. There is one more thing. I want to show you here is the name of your account. The name is that number is the number is more difficult to remember. So it's important to you to have a name for our account, or customize the name of your account. And what I want to use here, and the name will be I will use the name I have put there. Let's see if you can use it. This name can be unique on Amazon environment. Let's see, Dorival Q. Dorival Q already exists. So that it must be a unique number, a unique name. Dorival Q blog, which is my username, but it's not has not to be is not required to be the same, but only has to be a name which does not exist yet on Amazon environment. So I like this name. I will use this name, and I will click on create. But I can't use the underscore here. change here. Let's see only Dorival. Clicking yes, create. Yes, my name instead of a number, the account will be Dorival. So that's it. I will sign out here. So let's click on sign in to console. I will change here just to show you. And the first time you use it, you generally use your email account. So you can click here on sign in to a different account, and here is the username you have created. The account name first, the account name, and next use the username and our password. The first time you log in your account, you have to change. You are be required to change your password, but after that there is no problem, and you are using your regular user and no more using your root account. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please let me know. Remember to subscribe my channel, to follow me on social medias, and if you have any question, please let me know.